Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will create this flyer right here. We start by creating a new page, so we go to File and we select New. We go to the Print menu because flyers are usually printed. We have here multiple presets to choose from, but the one that is used most frequently is the A4 document. We have the A5 as well, but the A4 is the one we use often. So we select the A4 document. You can see the resolution is set to 300 because the document will be printed. In case you have 72 here, make sure to set it to 300. And we set the color mode to CMYK color because this is the color mode suitable for printed colors. Now we click Create. Here we are, this is our design page. First thing, we add a new folder to keep our design organized. We name the folder Background. Now we set the background, we select the rectangle tool and we draw a rectangle covering the whole page. We click on the rectangle layer thumbnail and we select this color. Now we close the background folder and we add a new folder. We name it Image because we will put the flyer image inside this folder. We select the polygon tool. You can select any tool, the ellipse, the rectangle, or any other tool. For me, I will use the polygon tool. Now we hold the Shift button, then we click and drag to draw an equilateral shape. We want the edges of the polygon shape to be round, so we go to Properties and we increase the radius of rounded corners. Now we rotate the shape. And we put it right here. Now double click on the shape layer thumbnail and we paint the shape in white. We remove the shape stroke. Then we duplicate the shape. We name the second shape Polygon 2. We check Show Transform Controls, we hold the Shift button and we decrease the second shape size slightly. We change its color to separate it from the other shape. Then we put it right here. We decrease its size a bit more. That's better. We duplicate the second polygon. We name this one Polygon 3. We change its color to separate it from the other shapes. We hold the Shift button and we decrease its size. Then we put it right here. We remove the fill for this shape. We paint its stroke in white. We uncheck Show Transform Controls so that we can see the shape's stroke. Then we increase the size of the stroke slightly. Now we select the Polygon 2. Right click on it and we convert it to a smart object. Now we double click on its layer thumbnail to open it in a separate page. We go to the Images folder. It's included for you to use everything we have here so that you work with me step by step. Now we add this image. We hold the Shift button and we adjust its size. And we put it here. Right click on the image layer and we select Create Clipping Mask. We adjust its position slightly. And here we are. Now the image is set. Now we close the image folder. We add a new folder. We name it title 1. We go to our folder. We open the text document. This is the text that we will write on the flyer. Of course, you can change it and type whatever you want. Or you can use this text here. Now we copy this sentence. We go back to the design page. We select the text tool and we click here to paste the text. We select the text and we decrease its size. We select the first word, the word creative. For this text, I use this font. It's included for you to download and use. Now we paint the first word in black. We select the second word, the word business, and we paint it in orange. The text appears over the character. To fix that, we go to the image folder, double-click on the polygon 2-layer thumbnail, and we lower the image. We save it. We go back, and here we are. We close the image folder. We go to the text document. We copy the website. We select the text tool, and we paste it here. We select the text and we set its size. You can set it in any size you want. And we set the font type to Arial. Of course, you can select any font you like. Now we close the title 1 folder. We add a new folder. We name it price. Now we select the polygon tool. We hold the shift button and we draw a small polygon shape here. Same thing, we adjust its corners to be round. And we put it right here. Now we copy this text. And we paste it inside the polygon shape. We can't see the text because it's in the same color as the shape. So we click and draw +A to select it and we change its color. We paint it in white. We select this part of the text. We change its font type. And we change its font style. Then we increase its size. Now we select the whole text. We click on the character window and we adjust the space between the two lines. We put the text in the center of the shape here. We change the polygon color slightly. Now we select this part of the text and we paint it in orange. We close the price folder. We add a new folder. We name it title 2. We add another polygon shape here. We set its corners to be round, and we put it here. We rotate it slightly, we increase its size a bit, and we put it here. We remove the shape stroke. We select the fill and we paint the shape in this color. You can change the shape's color using the fill, or you can double click on its layer thumbnail and change the color. It's totally up to you. Now we duplicate the polygon. We change its color to separate it from the other one. We click on Show Transform Controls and we rotate it. Now we pull the black polygon layer over the white one. We select the white polygon and we remove its fill. Then we paint its stroke in white. We increase the stroke size slightly. Perfect. Now we add the logo image. We put it here. Now we copy this text. We select the text tool and we paste the text here. We change the text font. We increase its size slightly and we put it right here. Now we copy this text. We paste it here and we change its font. We change its font style. Then we click between these two words with the mouse and we click enter to drop the last two words here. And we click here to align the words to the middle. We increase the text size. We increase the spacing between the two lines. We select the word width and we paint it in orange. Now we copy this text. We draw a rectangle using the text tool and we paste the text inside the rectangle. We select the whole text inside the rectangle using Ctrl+A. Then we decrease its size. And we change its font style. We change its font type as well. And we decrease its size a bit more. Now we close the Title 2 folder. We add a new folder and we name it Content. We copy this text. We select this area using the text tool and we paste the text here. We select the text and we align it to the left. We select the first sentence. We increase its size. And we change its font type and font style. We increase its size a bit. Now we select the rest of the text and we paint it in this color. Then we increase its size slightly. We paint the first word in black. Now we copy this text. We select this area using the text tool and we paste the text here. We select the text and we increase its size. Then we align it to the middle. We zoom in on the text. We activate the rulers. So we go to View and we check Rulers. The rulers appear here. We click on the ruler and we drag to put a line here. This helps us to type a text in the same line. Now we select this text. We decrease the space between the lines. We duplicate the text layer. Then we drag the text and put it right here. We duplicate it again. We drag it and put it right here. Now we add the first icon. We put it here. We add a new folder inside the Contents folder. We name it Icons and we add the first icon inside of it. We add the second icon. We put the ruler here to make sure that we put the icons on the same level. Now we add the third icon. We put it here. All the icons are in the icon folder, so we will change their colors at once. We close the icons folder, double click on it, we get the layer style window, we check the color overlay effect, and we paint icons in this color. We close the content folder, we add the last folder, we name it Contact. We select the rectangle tool. We add a rectangle here. We remove its stroke. We select the fill and we paint it in this color. Now we copy these numbers. We select the contact folder. We click here using the text tool, then we click Ctrl+V to paste these numbers here. We select the numbers and we decrease their size. We decrease the space between the two lines. Then we put the numbers right here. We select the numbers again and we paint them in orange. We copy this text. We paste it here. We align it to the left. And we put it right here. We put a ruler here to check the lines. As you can see, the lines are uneven, so we fix them. We adjust the text to put them on an even line. Now we copy the last text. We paste it here. We make sure it's in the same line as the other texts. We select the text and we align it to the left. Now we add the fourth icon. We put it here. The icon is in black, that's why it's no longer visible. So we add a new folder. We name it icons. We add the fourth icon layer to the new icons folder. Double click on the folder. We check the color overlay effect and we paint it in white. Now anything we add to this folder will be in white. We add the fifth icon. We put it here. We add its layer to the icons folder. You can see the fifth icon is in white now. We add the sixth icon. We put it here. We adjust the text slightly. Perfect. We zoom out and here we are. We close all the folders. You can see each part of the design is in its own folder. We can assign a different color to each folder. So this is our flyer design. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.